kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Wagwan wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I've got another amazing, delicious, mouth-watering recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some Jamaican jerk pork. Yes, right into my oven. I'm telling you, it's gonna be super delicious, so juicy and so flavorful. I know that you all are gonna enjoy it. And I'm also gonna do a collaboration, yes, with Drea Cuisine. Yes, this is our YouTube channel. Guys, trust me, she has some amazing recipe on her channel. She cook authentic Jamaican food. Her name is Drea Cuisine. I am gonna leave a link below so you guys can go and check it out. She does so many recipes, so much. Just go and check her out. Just tell her that Jody sent you. Okay, I am gonna leave her name, as I said, in the description so you guys can go and check it out. Look at this video that she recently do. She do how to make Jamaican curry pepper steak. Speaking about this right now, like my mouth is watering. She can cook so well, and I love the way she talk. When she talk, I just always smile because, you know, she just always bubbly. Guys, just before I show you all my ingredients, I just want to read you all a Bible verse, and I pray that you all is blessed by it. It says from 1 John 3 verse 16. So this is the word of the Lord. This is how we know what love is. Jesus Christ laid down his life for us. Amen. I pray that you all is blessed by this word. Remember that God loves you so much and that he have a great plans and purpose for your life. Stay blessed, and thank you all so much for the hearing of the word of the Lord. So in my glass bowl right here, I've got at least 3 pounds of my pork belly. And these are my fresh herbs that I'll be using. Here I have over 2 stalks of scallion, 4 tablespoons of my fresh thyme, and at least 1 teaspoon of my fresh ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, and this is my pimento seed, and this is at least over 1.5 tablespoons, otherwise as allspice. This is a must. It makes such a difference. And I'm also gonna use some of my wet jerk seasoning. It is totally optional, but I also like to use it because I love the flavor from it. Half onion and some vinegar, at least over 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of my paprika, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. You can use any season of your choice. So now I'm gonna make my jerk seasoning, my homemade. So I'm gonna add my onion to my food processor. You can also use a blender. Pimento seed, scotch bonnet pepper that I cut in half, scallion and thyme, ginger, garlic, just add them all. Vinegar, browning, just a little bit of browning for color, and at least 1 teaspoon of my sugar. It's just gonna blend out the taste. I'm gonna also add my seasoning, half teaspoon of salt, only 2 tablespoons of water. I'm gonna put this on top.
Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking.
I'm gonna turn it on now. Look at that. It's the real deal. Look at that. It is nice and thick. It is not too runny. Yeah, that's perfect. So my pork is already washed. I wash it in some lemon juice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a knife and just pork it. So all this season, you know, will soak right in. So I'm gonna firstly add my bottle jerk seasoning. Yeah. I'm gonna take my hand. You can always use a gloves and just massage all that seasoning, all that jerk marinade all over. So guys, I almost forget to add my jerk powder seasoning. So I'm gonna add at least 2 teaspoons, okay? The smell is just amazing. Make sure that all the pork is covered in the seasoning. You can leave it to marinate for at least an hour or even overnight. But once you season it properly, you can cook it right away. This is well seasoning. Yeah, so that's all done. Now I'm gonna put my pork in the oven. So this is my baking pan, and I'm just gonna spray some oil at the bottom. Then what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add some scallion. Yeah, like so. And some fresh thyme. Yeah. Now I'm gonna add the pork. Just like that. Guys, this, it is well seasoning. So you know say it a go nice. Yeah. The smell is just amazing. So authentic.
Come in at the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey!
So I'm just gonna add just a little bit of water to the side. Not a lot. Yeah, like that. I'm gonna cover it up now with a foil paper, because you know that pork need to steam, because it can take long. It can take up to 2 hours. Yes.
From Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen.
And in the oven, I'm gonna put it on 180 degree to 200 degree Celsius. Okay, you can put your oven at least on 400 degree. All right, guys, I just removed my pork from the oven, and it's been cooking for over an hour. Let I remove the foil paper. See all that steam? This looks so good, so nice and so succulent. Let us see how soft it is. So as you can see, guys, it break apart. So it is nice and tender. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. Perfect. This what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the liquid at the bottom and just pour on it. And I'm gonna put it back in my oven. But when I put it back in my oven, I am not gonna put no foil paper over it. Yes. I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put back my pork in my oven for at least 10 to 15 minutes. But what I did, I have one of these grill and I just put a file paper at the bottom and I'm gonna put my pork on top of the grill, you know, so you have that authentic look. Yes, yeah, let I just remove it like so. This is how I normally would do it. Just put it on a grill. Straight in my oven it goes. So guys, my jerk pork is all finished. I may tell you, it looks super delicious and so mouth-watering. It came out to perfection. You see how nice it is? Nice, moist, and soft. May I tell you, this recipe right here, it is a must try. Do not forget, if you try it, comment below and tell me what it's like. Alright? Thank you all so much in advance. So guys, as you can all see, I'm just gonna put my pork on a board and just show you how it look. Plus I'm gonna cut it. So now I'm just gonna cut into it, and honestly my mouth is watering. It looks so good. So nice and so succulent, so juicy. And of course, I am gonna do it the authentic way by put it into a file paper, and trust me, I'm telling you, this right here, it is a must try. It looks so authentic. I mean, just look on the color. Look how juicy, how moist it look. My children are only 9 years old and 7-year-old, and my son was like, Mommy, I want to taste some right now. He was like, wow, it tastes so good. He love it. And my daughter. So I said to him, say, where remind you of? He said, Jamaica. Children don't lie. It is really nice for true. Guys, I hope you all do enjoy this video. Please, if you do try it, don't forget to comment below and tell me what it's like. I am just adding some sauce that I made. I made this sauce, the gravy that leave back from my pan that I jerk the pork in. I use up that gravy. I just add it to a pot and add some water with some ketchup and a little bit of sugar. And trust me, it's so real delicious. It goes so perfectly with it. It's very easy to make. So guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also do share it. And subscribe to my channel so you can receive more amazing, delicious recipe like these. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye and do enjoy. Yum. Look at that. So mouth-watering. Enjoy.